5 ways to start working on self-improvement. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to improve in your life. Use the SMART method, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to set goals. 2. Read more books. Books expand knowledge, improve vocabulary, and develop critical thinking. Choose books on personal development, leadership, or any area of interest. 3. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that skills and intelligence can be improved through effort and learning. Embrace challenges and see failures as learning opportunities. Practice self-discipline. Develop habits that help you stay focused, such as setting daily routines, limiting distractions, and sticking to commitments. 5. Step out of your comfort zone. Try new experiences that challenge you, whether it's public speaking, traveling alone, or learning a difficult